Hello, this video will help teachers learn how to use the Smart Recorder tool, which is found in your Smart Notebook on your computer in your classroom. What's great about the Smart Recorder tool is that you can record all of your lessons. You can save them as video files, and then you can have your students play them back in class or outside of class. This is one of the first technology tips in a series of videos that I'll be creating. This one was asked for by our technology committee. So where do we go to get started with the Smart Technology Recorder? What we do is the first thing is we're going to go over to the Smart Notebook and find the tool. So we open up the Smart Notebook program, which is usually found on your desktop. And in order to use the Smart Recorder tool, you would look across your top toolbar to see if it's already found on the top of your screen. Now currently I have it on my toolbar at the top listed as the Smart Recorder. If you don't have that particular icon on your toolbar, all you would have to do is click on the View toolbar and go down underneath where it says Customize Toolbar. These are all the icons that could appear on your toolbar in the Smart Notebook. If I wanted to, I could take any icon and I could drag it up to the toolbar. So for example, if I look for the Smart Recorder, I could take it and I could drag it and I could put it right up onto my toolbar so that I can then use it. So if I wanted to then start recording a lesson in the notebook, I would just click on that button and you would see that this particular window pops up and I would click on the red button to start recording. I'm currently recording, so it's darkened out. So let's say that you're a math teacher and you were teaching a lesson on the Pythagorean theorem. I could start by teaching my lesson. Currently we're recording. I can go up to my shape tool and I can get a right triangle and I can start teaching the lesson. I can next go to my pen tool and I can start plugging in. My hypothesis is going to be X. This leg is going to be 3. This leg we'll say is going to be 4. And then I can start or continue in my lesson to teach this theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then I can move on with my substitutions. So the point I'm trying to make here, of course, is that as I'm teaching with the Smart Notebook, anything I'm showing my class, I can do in the notebook and it's being recorded with the Smart Recorder. And then of course I would continue on and continue to show the students how to solve this equation. When I'm done with this particular lesson, I could hit the stop button on the recorder and it would bring up a Save As menu so that then we could save this video to the desktop. When you're using the recorder, you don't just have to be in the notebook. If I wanted to, I could jump out on the web and I could get a video link if I wanted to. I could open up a browser, I could open up Microsoft Word, I could do anything I want, and I can include that in the recording. So this first video tip showed you how to open up the Smart Recorder in the Smart Notebook and how to save this video file by clicking on stop and giving it a name and saving it to your desktop. Hopefully these video tips are helpful.